first of all, looking at that thing, you already know that that thing is not cooked. So I could be wrong. I don't know. But maybe if he had tied a string at the top, tied one in the middle, tied one at the end to keep it together, maybe a few more, I don't know. And then cook it, like boil it with the string around it to keep it together. Then after he's done, then put it in the flour and fry it. I feel like he probably would have had a better result than this nonsense that we're about to see. Of course. I mean, I could have told you that. I could have told you it wasn't cooked all the way. Like, he just woke up today and chose nastiness and disgusting food. Nastiness and disgusting food is what he chose today. Get on my